Danita, and today I'm going to share the philosophy that changed my life and business. So, my intention with this video is to help anyone who is starting out or who has a business and feels stuck. Something doesn't work out, and you feel like no matter what I do in my business, I'm not getting the results I want, or you feel like why is my income not growing. If you feel that, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to cover the two types of mindsets and how these two diverse mindsets affect our outcomes. So this video is not it's something that is taken from my personal life experience. It's something that I have realized over time working with different clients and going across different phases. So at first when I started, I was in the first first mindset type, and over time I felt the loop getting very vicious, and I felt like, oh God, why do I keep on attracting such people, such annoying clients in my life? Why? And then, I had to discover ways. I had to listen to different things. I had to read a lot of books, and then suddenly, with this constant new exposure to new information, I realized the second type of mindset, and shifting from the first type to second type of mindset made a lot of difference, not only in terms of my income, not only in the terms of the money I was making. The money obviously kept on increasing, but it also affected my peace and joy. So if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Danita, and I'm a freelance copywriter, and I'm here on YouTube to share my experiences and my journey, and to help businesses who feel stuck and who can't decode what's wrong with their business. So let's get started. The purpose of starting my YouTube channel was to share my experiences, and I always have this one tagline. All right, let me just share it. I've never shared this on YouTube before, but I always have this one intention. This has been constant this has been my overall philosophy in life, like for work, for life, whatever. All right, this has been my philosophy. Do work that makes you happy, and this is my personal mantra. I believe that whatever work I have to do, whatever work I'm supposed to do, or whatever work I want to do, that work should make me happy. My first priority is, notice the positions of the word. Happy comes first, rich comes second. It's very intentional, because see, if it's not making me happy, it's making me rich, it's not worth it. It's very clear in my head. I'll tell you an example. Suppose a client contacts me, and it's something. Suppose they are, they want a website. It's a website copywriting project, and I don't feel aligned to that client. Maybe the client's mindset and mine isn't aligned, right? And I know that if I work with this person, I'll get a boatload of money, like 50,000 for one project, but I'll be miserable while working for his project. Then it's a clear no, because no matter what, work should make me happy. That's my funda. If I'm working on anything, it should first give me that joy. It should fulfill me, and then it should also make me rich. All right. So this is my philosophy. The reason I'm sharing this philosophy with you is this is the exact thing that I'm chasing even right now. I already am working on projects that make me happy, obviously make me very rich, but this is the thing that I'm still constantly, it's my vision. In the future also, I'll just chase this. Work should make me happy, it should add meaning to my life, it should fill me with purpose, and it should make me rich. This is my philosophy. Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you is because of this. Prior to having this second type of mindset, what happened was first type of mindset. All right. Now, let's tell you what this first type of mindset is. This first type of mindset is focus on getting rich. Right? See, subconsciously, I always wanted work to fill me with a lot of joy and money. But even though I wanted this, even though I was chasing this, my focus was always on making money. All right. Now, there is not. Initially, I thought that, see, we are in a business to make money, right? So there's nothing wrong with this. But over time, what I noticed was because I was focusing on making money, I said yes to works, I said yes to projects that were not aligned. Projects that I knew that, I'll not do a good job or I can't add value to that. I said yes to a lot of wrong projects. And you know what happens when you focus on getting rich? You focus on the wrong metrics. You focus on only things that will make you rich, right? So you say yes to people or prospects. And when you say yes to things that aren't meant, that don't give you joy, you don't do a good work, right? You do half-hearted work. So your clients get less value. And when your clients get less value, you get a bad reputation. When you get bad reputation, slowly your clients understand that this person is not legit or this person is not solving my problems like they promised. And what happens after that? Your profits reduce. And because your focus is only on money, and that is the only metric that will make you happy, right? If your focus is only on money, you say that, okay, the more money I make, the more happier I'll be. And because you're focused on this metric, and because of this, you're taking more work and you're not doing justice to any of it, the client isn't getting any real value. And they are complaining, you're frustrated, your stress is increased, work is annoying, and your reputation gets worse, and slowly your profits start reducing. And what happens after that? Profits start reducing because you're focused on only making money, because your focus is only on money. Work makes you dissatisfied. And this was a shocker. Like, this didn't come to me in 11 minutes, the time that I'm talking to you right now, right? It didn't come to me in 11 minutes. It came to me in 3 years. I took 3 years of my life working with on the wrong projects, focusing on the wrong metrics, and work on. And I always felt that even when there were times in freelancing, there is this, right? This is the reality of freelancing. When you're starting off, all months are not alike. Some months you'll have no clients, some months you'll have lots of clients, and some months will be okay, right? So at the start, this is the reality. So what happened? when my focus was only on money, even when I was making more money, I was dissatisfied. When I was making less money, also, I was dissatisfied. And I kept thinking that what's wrong? Like, I'm making money, I'm not happy. I'm not making money, I'm not happy. So, what's wrong? Like, why am I in this cycle? What's wrong? And that's when I realized this second type of mindset. And this mindset was focus on serving or improving your clients' lives. On serving people, when I focused on when my focus was just that, see, whatever I do, my work should benefit people. Whatever project I take, if I'm writing a website for my client should make a boatload of money. My focus was just that. When my focus was just that, strange things started to happen. Strange things like I started to enjoy the process. I was no longer waiting for the end goal or waiting for this magical income figure that I should click on this figure and I'll be happy. I started enjoying the process and I started genuinely caring about my clients. I started genuinely caring. Guys, Grammarly has made me very lazy. Right? I started genuinely caring about my clients. Started genuinely caring about my clients, a strange thing happened. My clients were happy. And they started getting results. And they wanted to work with me. And they could sense it. They could sense my intentions. The intention there was not to make profit. My first intention was to solve their problem. To solve their problem in the best possible way I knew. Right? So when this started happening, when I focused on the right metrics, when I focused on providing value, I enjoyed work. Work was fun. And even if I didn't have a lot of worry, I wasn't stressed. It was enough. When I care about just closing that deal or pitching this clients were more excited. When I was not focused on closing the deal, I noticed more people want to work with me. Whereas in my old mindset, the money mindset, when I was focused on just closing this deal, what happened was clients could sense it. And I don't know if you believe this or not, but I strongly believe the best marketing strategy is honesty. If you're honest enough, people can sense it. Your prospects are not dumb. Your clients are not dumb. They can sense your intentions. So if you don't have the right intentions, if your intention is to solely profit from them, they can sense that. If your intention is to genuinely help their business, they can sense that as well. Because when your focus is on improving the business or serving them, your conversations change. It's no longer about money. It's genuinely just taking their business into account, trying to understand it, and it's all of that. And your prospects sense it. And when people sense that you are not here behind their money, but you're behind genuinely solving their problems, that's when more people want to work with you. And what do you think happens? When you genuinely focus on helping the other person with your unique skills and gifts, you get better results. More people want to work with you, so you're closing more clients. And because you're getting more clients, you're also getting more results, your reputation increases, and you're making more profit. And because of all of this snowball effect, what happens is work fulfills you, work makes you peaceful, and work makes you happy because you start enjoying the journey. And what start enjoying the journey? What happens when you're genuinely just engrossed in, serving your clients and helping them succeed and all of that? When you're genuinely enjoying the journey, you become rich. And even if you don't reach that income level, even if you, suppose you've not reached that magical unicorn number in your head, even if your focus is on, even if you didn't reach that income level, you'll still be happy. So it's a win-win. Because in the first mindset, when you focus on money, when you didn't make money, you were unhappy. When you made money also, you weren't happy because of the stress, and you were not fulfilled and you were dissatisfied. But when you serving your clients, when you focus on genuinely helping the other human being with your skills and unique talents, what happens is, even if you don't money, you're happy. Even if you're making very little money, you're happy. And even if you make more money, you're happy because money goes out of that equation. And when that money goes out of the equation and your focus is only on providing value and just genuinely serving the other person, automatically the universe blesses you with abundance. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope my intention with creating videos on YouTube is to share whatever I know, and ultimately to help you do work that makes you happy and rich. I believe that work should always make you happy. Work, when you're doing work, you should just be so happy, and it should make you, it should give you another high. And when work makes you happy, it automatically will make you rich. Trust me. You don't need to focus on the rich. The rich will automatically happen. Leave that to the universe. You just focus on doing work that genuinely is aligned to your unique skills and abilities. So, with that, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And I would love to know your thoughts and listen to your feelings about this. So you can type them in the comment section. I read each and every comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.